Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is still Thursday, September 3rd, 2020. This is my post-market wrap-up, and what a day. Stocks cratered across the board. No surprise to you. For days, actually since last week, I've been explaining to you this market is stupid and it needs to give some back. Just 2 days ago, I put out a video, a post-market wrap-up. In the title, I said, caution advised. You got to be blind not to see these things developing here. And it's just funny to listen to. So yesterday, CNBC was describing the rally yesterday as panicking. Well, guess what? Today, it's panic selling. Look, this is not the beginning of the end. This is not the bubble popping. I'll cover that in a moment. This is not the next stock market crash. I've explained to you for I don't know how long, no asset can go straight up without a pullback. This, what we just saw, is normal. This is normal market behavior. This is profit taking, like I explained to you, would happen. So don't get panicky. What you need to do, if you're a trader like me, you're loving this. I tweeted all day about it. I'm giddy. We needed to see this. Huge opportunities are going to present themselves both to you and to me with regard to options trading. I mean, you can't imagine yet, and you will soon see the amount of capital we're going to pad our trading portfolios with because of this drop. And I sincerely hope we drop more. Will we? I don't know. I will continue to trade the market that I have. That's what we all need to do. So let's talk about why this market is going to go higher here. And maybe there's a little twist to this. Okay. We heard from Fed President Evans today. Well, he said the Federal Reserve should start more quantitative easing. Of course, they're going to do this. This is how they finish their end game. The final solution to be the lender, buyer of last resort, to own it all. So you can expect more of that. There's just no doubt about it. What does that mean? If the Fed's going to pump the market with endless amounts of capital, is that stock market negative? No, it's massively stock market positive. You know that. It's also positive for metals, gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies, for which cryptos got hit pretty hard today. Silver got hit pretty hard today. Gold got hit today. Crude oil did fall, not by much. 10-year yield, $0.62, about flat. I don't see anything here to tell me technically or fundamentally that this is it. The market is going straight down from here. It's impossible to happen. Can't happen right now. And the big sell-off is not going to start in the stock market. Please stop focusing on the stock market. All you people who fixate on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, it's the debt market. When we have an uncontrolled sell-off in the debt market, rates are going to spike, not drop like they did today. And that will be the key to a massive stock market crash. Okay, we are not close to that right now. What we saw today, the Dow finished down about 800 and something points. Okay, oh, big deal. Really, the stock market has gotten way ahead of itself, and it needed to fall. And with talk out of the mouths of Federal Reserve presidents talking about more QE, duh. Seriously. So understanding these mechanisms, it's pretty simple to know what you need to do. With regard to the pullback here in cryptocurrencies, buy it. With regard to gold and silver pullback, buy it. With regard to the stock market, sit back and relax. If you're a trader, because this is a gift. This is a gift to you. You knew it was coming. I warned about it right in the title of my video 2 days ago. No shock to you. It's not hard to see these things. And I know most of my lions out here, saw it as well, because I hear from you all the time. So let's move forward here a little bit, people. So again, what I see is opportunity, but there's a little twist here. Okay, I mentioned the twist just a minute ago. President Trump is moving up in the polls. Now, you all know my take on this. I don't care who sits behind the Resolute desk. They're a puppet. They're a mouthpiece. That's all they are. Okay? Period. The end. So what does this mean for the market? Okay, I explained to you for a while. It looked like Biden was going to win here, and he still might. Trump might win too. But let's put this together. I explained to you that Wall Street was pricing in a Biden win. Now, with President Trump coming up in the polls, you may see a little pressure on stocks. In other words, they might not rise as much. Okay, you understand? Either way, we're going to make money here. Either way, easy money is pouring into this market. There's no doubt about it. It's the Federal Reserve finishing their grand plan from 1913. But we need to pay our attention to, dynamics in this market. It all plays together. It's not just a matter of looking at a chart. It's not just a matter of listening to what comes out of this freak's mouth or that other freak's mouth, or the whole company of freak show that's around us. No, it's taking in an enormous amount of information and trying to assimilate that in a way that you and I can take advantage of it. That's all this is. It's extremely simple to get. So again, the little twist here with President Trump moving up in the polls, let's see how this plays out. I'm not saying stocks are going to fall. Stocks are still going up, but they will not go up as fast. Again, it's a pretty simple concept to understand. If Biden were to win, you can expect easy money, more so than you have ever seen before. If President Trump wins, same thing, but to a lesser degree. And there's this China trade deal floating out here. It's not going to happen with President Trump there. China will just wait the rest of his entire next term out. He promised Wall Street a deal. He promised the American people a deal with regard to China. Never happened. So that is not good for America. That is not good for trade. It's not good for the U.S. economy either. Again, China is going to continue to rip us off. And President Trump can institute all the tariffs he wants, just like he's been doing, and the trade deficit here will continue to balloon. China is on the winning side, and they can continue to stay there for a long time. I know this might hurt your feelings. You don't want to believe me, but I'm a market guy. I encompass this entire thing. Okay? I don't care who wins. Maybe you do, and that's where you're biased. Me, I don't care at all. I don't care if freak Biden wins or freak Trump wins. Matters not to me. You know why? Because it's all about the bucks. You understand? It's all about the bucks. And if you need a friend, go get a dog. What's that from? All right, listen. Look, I'm just kind of goofing around. That's what I always do. All right, so just in recap here. Stocks cratered. This is an amazing opportunity for traders. There is no doubt about it. We needed this pullback. You knew it was coming. I foretold it to you. We're going to continue to rip the face off of this market. And again, if you're a stacker, you're laughing at people like myself because your job is easier than mine. All you're going to do is keep adding to your physical positions here. Silver more especially. If you're someone that is hoarding cryptos, well, there you go. Here's another stunning opportunity for you. Seriously, do you see how easy this is if you just put this together in your own head and understand how things work, why they work, how cash moves? You got it? All right, look. So with that said, as usual, I will keep all of you way ahead of this market. And if you allow me to, I'll make you rich. That's the truth. All right, I'm out of here. Love you a lot. See you in the morning.